This is a brand new 2012 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual-zone climate control, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.